I know exactly what's going on. You've bought all the expensive products, you have a 15-step skincare routine, everything is complex, you're following this, that, and the other from every influencer you've seen online telling you what to do, but you are not seeing the results that you want with your skin. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna hold your hand when I say this. You're doing too much. Here are 3 reasons your skincare isn't working and how to fix it. Mistake number 1 is you are overloading your skin. Too many products means you're stressing your skin out. It cannot understand and respond to what you are trying to do if you have too many products going on. This is a sign that you need to simplify. You need a cleanser, a moisturizer, SPF, and 1 serum, okay? 4 products, not 15. Mistake number 2 is you are using the wrong products for your skin type. This is really easy to do because marketing can be really confusing. If you're shiny and flaky, you might be dehydrated, but you might actually think that you're dry, which means you end up using the wrong products and actually overproducing oil in your skin. It's a disaster. That's just one example, but basically, if you're using the wrong product for your skin type, it's really not doing anything for you. You really want to pay attention to your ingredients and match the ingredients to the specific concern that you're trying to target. If you have really dry skin, for example, and you're using a cleanser that's super harsh and foaming, you might be using the wrong one and it's drying you out. Versus if you were to use a gel cleanser, it's a little bit more moisturizing and better for your skin type. Mistake number 3 is that you may have damaged your skin barrier. That is part of the function of your skin, is to protect from the outside forces. When you use too many products or the wrong products, or you use them too frequently, you can break down this protective barrier. Your skin cannot properly respond to the products that you're putting on if the barrier is damaged. You will constantly be feeling sensitive and reactive. You'll feel like things are burning. You'll feel like things are just not working. You want to focus on hydrating and protecting the skin, taking a break from exfoliation until you can repair your barrier. Once your skin barrier is functioning properly again, then you can move on to adding ingredients back into your routine to target your concerns. But you have to start the treatment from a place of a balanced pH in your skin and a healthy skin barrier. Or maybe you're not having any sensitivity, but you're still feeling like all of your skincare products are not really working as well as they should. You're not really sure what you're doing wrong. Well, you might be using too many. Our skin can only absorb so much, and when we put on so many layers, we kind of cancel things out sometimes. Plus, how can you know what's actually working if you're using so many things? When I was desperately trying to heal my acne, I would just pile on all kinds of products, hoping that that would fix the problem. And all I did was ruin my skin barrier, irritate my skin, and I wasn't seeing any results. It took twice as long to see anything happen because I was using way too many things. And for every step forward, it was 2 steps back. I finally started seeing results in my skin when I stripped back to basics and only used 4 products until I started seeing the results that I wanted. All it was a cleanser, an SPF, a moisturizer, and 1 serum. That's it. I didn't have 150 steps in my routine, and that's actually what allowed me to see the most results. With basic, tried and true ingredients, a simple routine that I could be consistent with, and not to mention, only 4 products, they're not gonna break the bank like 15 will. So you're doing your wallet a favor. The moral of the story is more is not more, less is more. I want this to be an absolute no-brainer for you. If you don't have a solid routine, or you know you're doing too much in your routine and you need to start over, start fresh, know what products to use, how to use them, I have a free guide that I want you to download right now. It is in the description, and it's gonna walk you step by step through the most optimal skincare routine for morning and night with product recommendations for every skin type. And it's implementing everything I've talked about in this video, going back to basics, only using what your skin needs and what you can actually see results with. I really love this method because I firmly believe that less is more, and you can always build up, but if you can achieve the best results with only a couple of products, why wouldn't you? So that's where I want you to start if you're struggling. Again, download the free guide, and I will see you in the next video. In the meantime, like and subscribe to this channel and let me know what you want to see next. Bye.